Hello, this is Lisa Stewart, and I'm a help desk specialist at Wisconsin Facets.
My name is Samson Stroke, and I'm our bilingual outreach coordinator.
And I'm Matthew Zellmer, the lead help desk specialist for Wisconsin Facets, and we wanted to take a moment today to let you know
That we at Wisconsin Facets are still working, even though we're not in our physical office.
That means our help desk is still available to you by calling our office phone number.
and your call will be returned as soon as possible by one of our help desk specialists.
We know that these are uncertain times, and we're all taking things day by day.
We want to make sure that any parent who has a child with a disability knows that we are here to support you.
If you have questions about your child's IEP or special education services, please give us a call.
We have been working tirelessly to find and post good COVID-19 and other educational helpful resources on our website.
Our website also gives you access to an extensive list of our archived webinars that you can watch at your convenience, which might be helpful if you're finding yourself with a lot more time at home than previously.
Please stay safe and healthy out there, folks.